Hey guys, Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, it's been such a rainy Saturday. I'm back at the corporate offices. Wanted to give you an update on the fence. Last video we made was actually making the gate. We actually came back and installed it, so I wanted to show you what we did here. So you can see we got this metal tracks that's down on the ground. We had to use concrete anchors to drill down and actually mount. We poured a concrete slab. You can see the runner goes down the concrete slab. We welded on an end stop, which is the black item down at the end. Still got to come back and take the wood frames off. Haven't done that yet. Where I'm standing right here is where the motor will actually go for it. But one thing we had to do was fabricate a mechanism to hold the gate up. And the roller I showed you in the last video, we actually came in here, welded an arm on here. We used a piece of the track that actually came off of the ground. We used up here, turned it sideways, welded the top bracket on. My weld is not great, but it is what it is. It's pretty strong though. Welded both sides of it, gave a structural support. And you see this top iron right here. Hey, I want you to watch this. This is what I'm pretty happy about. So I can take one finger and look at this. The gate rolls just like that. That gate rolls so easy just by itself. Come up here, one hand. I literally think a 3 or 5 year old kid could close this gate if he needed to. So we got the little place right here where we're gonna hook the chain to the drive motor. We got it on this end as well. So there's some things we gotta do, but I'm pretty pumped. We got these heavy duty wheels that actually roll, but we've come a long way from the time we actually started setting posts to actually getting this gate fabricated. I like it. Now, if you look inside of here, let's see if I can actually show you this. There you go. So inside of this channel, you can see right up in there, you got a roller that holds this angle iron, and that's what keeps this thing straight up and down. So you got a roller here, and there's one inside. That holds the fence in place. Now, one little mistake we made, we didn't take into consideration how high the wheels are. So the brick mason is coming back. He's gonna add 2 more layers of brick on the top to dress the columns off. Once we do that, that's gonna look pretty good. But you can see, looking across, I think it's all right. So anyway, just wanted to show you the install. The last video we made the gate, and now I just wanted to show you the gate actually installed and the gate actually rolling. And look at that. You can see the gate will just roll by itself. It's going to be very easy for a motor to actually work it. So, all right guys, hope you like what you see. So we've also got our post set going down the side fence. We got to come back and bolt the panels in. But man, it's been raining like every day. It's so wet and muddy. It's just not fun to work right now, but we'll eventually come down that red tip hedge. The nice thing about the red tip hedge is it will actually grow through the fence. And by the end of the summer, you won't even know there's a fence there. It'll look just like a hedge. Anyway, that's what we're working on. Tell me what you think, guys. Not bad for a amateur. They wanted like, that gate would have been somewhere probably close to $2,000 if I'd have had it made. And I built it for $310, I think was the total number. So anyway, I'm pretty pumped. All right, guys.